Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to show you the right way to install a thermostat on most cars and trucks. You would never think, or a lot of people don't even think, that you need to worry about if it's on right or installed correctly or not. But I'm going to let you guys know, I'm going to show you guys the right way to install a thermostat, give you some tips and tricks and all that stuff, if there is any. But let me show you real quick. So this Dodge Charger right here, it got a water pump done from a friend or a hood mechanic or something like that. I'm a hood mechanic too, but that's a whole another story. But come to find out, the vehicle was overheating on long trips still. So I'm going to show you what I did, or what I found that I think might have been causing this whole issue. So let's get going. Now you can see I already have the old thermostat off, the one that was in there. The thermostat, I don't think it was good. I think it was just got too hot too many times. You can see it's got a newer water pump. Now when you're installing a thermostat, you see this little weep hole thing on the top? Right there where my thumb is, and on the back you can see there's that little, right there where my finger is, there's a little weep hole. So that has to be installed at the most 12 o'clock position that you can install the thermostat. So when I took this one out, this weep hole was actually on the bottom. So all the air that was inside this water pump housing was being trapped inside there, or vice versa. All the air that was in the radiator hose was not able to get into here to be bled out of the bleeder right here. So the air was trapped inside this system because the bleed through hole, weep hole, whatever this is on the thermostat, was at the bottom of the thermostat. It was not installed on the top. So really big, really important, make sure that that weep hole, air bleeder hole, is on the top, the most 12 o'clock position that you could get it when you're installing a thermostat. So you can see I'm going to be installing this one just like this, because that's the highest point I could get that little bleeder to be installed right there. So I'm going to remove this paper towel I have in there, or, well, wipe off cloth, whatever it is. Another thing, when you're installing these, make sure you have a good clean surface. Now this, I wire wheeled all this, got everything down as good as I could. You might be able to see there's a bunch of divots and stuff in this thermostat housing or water outlet. I don't really like this. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to run to the store in a moment and get another one of these before we install this radiator, or sorry, this thermostat. But I just want to let you guys know there is a right way and a wrong way to install thermostats, and hopefully this video does help you out. Now, if this video did help you out when you're installing, or give you some tips and tricks on your thermostat, if it helped you out this video, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell everybody about Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you guys in the next hopefully helpful video.